everybody, welcome. My name is Miss Morgan and thank you for joining us for our SLP Summer Library program, Tales and Tales. So today what we're going to make are binoculars so you can explore the world. So we've given you some cardstock here and a piece of string. And we're going to make this into a really cool binocular set. Take your piece of paper and hold it to where the paper width is longer than the height and fold it lengthwise. And then make it nice and crisp line. Make sure it's nice and good. Then you're going to open that up and take your pair of scissors and just cut that piece of paper in half. Good job. Now we're going to take one of those halves and roll it. Oops. Roll that up and make a cylinder. Now you're going to take some tape and tape that cylinder so it stays together. You could also use a glue stick. Alright, now you're going to roll your other piece of paper up. Try to make it about the same size if you can. Alright, now tape it up. One more for good measure. Now what we're going to do is we're going to tape these so they stick together. Take a piece of tape, tape those ends together so that way they stay. Now tape the other side. Take a hole punch and punch a hole on one side. One hole here. And one hole here. Now take your string. Now take one end of your string and feed it up from the bottom of the hole in your binocular through the top. And you're going to tie that to itself in a knot. I like to use a shoestring knot, like that first step when you're tying your shoes, but you can use whatever kind of knot you like. And double knot it just for good measure. Now take the other side of the string, do the same thing to the other side of the binoculars. Feed it up through the bottom, and then tie it to itself in a knot. Good job! Wasn't that fun? Now you can take those binoculars and go exploring with them. Can you see a cardinal in your backyard? Or a blue jay? Maybe even a American bald eagle? Well, I spy an adventure, and I hope you do too. Thank you!
Thank you for participating in the Licking County Library Summer Library Program. Continue to read and listen to books and go wild with us this summer while adventuring with your family.